Let's learn numbers 1 to 10.
1. 1 ball.
2. 2 balloons.
3. 3 ducks.
4. 4 fords. 4 penguins.
5. 5 stars. 6. 6 cars.
7. 7 apples.
7.
8. 8 oranges.
9. 9 bananas.
10. 10 fishes. Great job! Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye!